Want a smarter way to build your crypto portfolio without the stress of tracking markets or guessing the right time to trade? TrueBlue is a cutting-edge AI-driven trading platform tailored specifically for Australian investors who want to grow their crypto assets automatically with minimal effort. It's designed to simplify everything, eliminating manual work and helping users generate steady returns, even with zero prior experience. To celebrate its 2025 launch in Australia, TrueBlue is offering a limited-time welcome bonus for new users. By signing up through the official link, you'll receive extra trading credit to boost your early gains. This exclusive offer is only available during the early access phase, and spots are going fast. So now's the perfect time to jump in. Click the link in the description to claim your bonus and be among the first to unlock everything TrueBlue has to offer in Australia. By combining real-time market analysis with intelligent automation, TrueBlue runs 24/7, scanning the crypto market and executing trades on your behalf. With reported daily profits between 100 and 500 Australian dollars and some users achieving monthly returns up to 70%, the platform is one of the most effective ways to invest in crypto passively. No technical skills? No problem. TrueBlue takes care of it all in the background. What makes TrueBlue stand out is its Australia-based infrastructure and full compliance with national regulations, including AUSTRAC, ATO, KYC, and AML standards. Your personal data and funds are protected using bank-grade encryption and privacy protocols. Whether you're a beginner or already trading, the platform's intelligent design makes investing easier than ever. Thousands across Australia and beyond are using TrueBlue to earn hands-free crypto income. It's trusted for its consistency, simplicity, and performance, built to break down barriers and help everyday users grow wealth in crypto without the usual hassle. Just imagine your portfolio growing daily. No late-night trading or confusing charts involved. TrueBlue works with major crypto exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, letting you link your wallet and start trading in just a few minutes. The AI at its core is built by top fintech engineers and is constantly learning to adjust strategies based on changing market trends, helping reduce risk while chasing better returns. Click the link in the description to activate your welcome bonus and experience the full power of TrueBlue in Australia. Support matters too. A dedicated Australia-based team is available 24/7 to help you with setup, questions, or advanced features. If you're looking for a reliable, smart, and locally supported crypto income tool, this is your moment. As digital finance grows, TrueBlue is positioning itself as the go-to solution for Australians who want long-term, automated investing. Whether your goal is to diversify, build passive income, or stay ahead of market trends, this platform delivers a dependable, future-ready experience tailored to your needs. Don't miss out. Click the link now to claim your bonus and get started with TrueBlue.